Hello guys, today I'm gonna answer a question when you should change the HEPA filters and how to do it in the Dreamy Vacuum D10 Plus. So at the start, the information about the filter you can find in the Xiaomi or Dream application. I have the Xiaomi one, so to check it, click on the three-dot icon, then go to the accessory usage, and as you can see, there had a filter. If you see there is something like a 5-10%, that means it's time to change the filter, and now I'm gonna show you how you can do it. In the first step, let's open the top cover. As you can see, there you have the dust container, just remove it. And the filter is located here on the back of your container. To remove it, just lift it up from this side, and as you can see, we can remove it with no any problem. Remember to do not clean it with the water, with the detergents, just use for it the brush, the cleaning tool that you get in the accessories. So put it back, insert it, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.